Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. So today I get the following one error notifications while I try to join the one Roblox server in Windows 11 PC, and it shows authentication failed, error code 403. An error was encountered during authentication, please try again. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Assalamu alaikum friends, today we will discuss how to fix an error was encountered during authentication, please try again. Click start button. Click search bar, then type Task Manager. Open Task Manager. Right click Roblox app. Then select In Task. Click Start button. Then click Settings. Click Apps. Then click Install Apps. Uninstall Roblox player. Click Uninstall. Click this PC. Then open local disk C. Open program files. Right click Roblox folder. Click Show More option. Then select Delete. So after you delete this Roblox folder and then try to install the Roblox player in freshly. I hope the problem will be solved. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us.